American 1262. 2360 American 1262.
United 8 Heavy.
Sierra Charlie, just confirm you have the Gulfstream there. You can proceed southeast bound, sir.
10 Charlie has Gulfstream.
Thank you very much.
Correct, 588 Heavy to right heading 070, stay airspeed. 2360 American 1262.
United 8 Heavy.
Correct, 588 Heavy to right heading 070, stay airspeed.
Tower Challenger 105 Bravo November, switch to Valley 6.
Thank you very much. Options 9529 Gulfstream traffic, 2 mile final, runway 1, no delay, clear for takeoff.
Delta 1716, turn left heading 130.
130 to 1760.
280 intercept low class. 280 to intercept low class, American 168.
15-7 Papa Romeo, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Land clear right, wind 0805, push right turbine.
Delta 1716, turn left heading 130.
130 to 1760.
Runway 1, clear to land. Clear to land, runway 1.
Delta 1716, turn left heading 130.
130 to 1760.
10-6J, good afternoon. 90 frequency change, disregard that, Cessna 081 squad VF4, altitude unit is 30 below Bravo, frequency change approved.
Post up 1990, past 44 for 2000, 040 heading.
9529 up 2 and hold short of runway 1 for me.
First zero is going to maintain 16,000.
Down to 16,3040 United 8 Heavy.
Correct, 588 Heavy to right heading 070, stay airspeed.
F1 Mike Mike was just by Dandy. Tower Challenger 105 Bravo November, switch to Valley 6.
1000, Mike Charlie.
Tower Challenger 105 Bravo November, switch to Valley 6.
Land clear right, wind 0805, push right turbine.
Delta 1716, turn left heading 130.
130 to 1760.
I need 250.
Okay. 290, thank you very much for the early turn there, sir. Appreciate it. Maintain that below 1000 till departing Delta airspace. Good day.
31 left. And the speed 180, contact tower on 123.9.
23.9, we're slowing to 180. Okay, 3 mile final, Kirby, left base, runway 1, 524 Brooklyn.
Correct, 588 Heavy to right heading 070, stay airspeed.